Welcome to AEHelp.com's IELTS test preparation videos. This is episode 5 of my Band 9 IELTS journey. I have taken the official IELTS exam and now I want an inquiry on my results called an EoR in hopes of getting at least half a band more on the writing section. This means a remark of my essays. That way, if I get half a band more, I can get a perfect Band 9 overall score. I will explain the steps in this process as I go through it. For many more video lessons like this one, including original practice exams and a fully interactive course, visit and join our premium package at aehelp.com. Become one of our many IELTS success stories. Now watch and learn. 3 days have passed since I put in my EoR request and paid £80 to have my writing section of my IELTS exam remarked because I was not happy with my band score of 7.5 and I was hoping to get that extra half band so that the overall band score would be pushed to Band 9. Now I received an email reply. Let's take a look. Dear Adrian, we have received the outcome of the EoR related to your IELTS test score of February 26th. Unfortunately, the results have not changed. Please find the result letter attached. This is the more common response that students can expect. It's usually an unchanged result. It's rare that the mark goes up or goes down. If I had to say, I would say marks change maybe 5% of the time. So disappointing, but to be expected. And then here we have the attached PDF, which gives further details of the EoR results. I just requested, of course, for the writing section to be remarked because the other sections were Band 9. And importantly, this sentence here, the outcome of your remark is as follows. Writing, the band score awarded for this module has remained unchanged. That also means further bad news that they will not refund the £80 which I paid for this EoR request. So what to do next? Well, simply I have to accept that this is the way it's going to stay. I could file for an appeal. That's an arduous process. It's likely not worth it. At this point, the better approach is to not be emotionally involved and disappointed. Keep in mind that writing and speaking can be quite subjective. And very importantly, I have to reflect on what I believe I might have done to not get the Band 9 or at least a high Band 8, 8.5 that I was looking for in the writing section. Now, I've been thinking about that over the course of the last few days, and I have come up with a few points. Number one, I went for a washroom break during the 1 hour writing, and that cost me a valuable 5 minutes, which I could have spent reviewing and revising my work for spelling mistakes, grammatical mistakes, and content mistakes. Had I used that 5 minutes wisely and made those changes, perhaps I could have gotten that extra half band score. Also, I wrote a lot of content for both Task 1 and Task 2. I wrote 300 some odd words for Task 1 and over 500 words for Task 2. Although I covered a lot of the answer, I likely made more mistakes because of having these longer essays, especially because I didn't review them. So I think in the future, I will keep my essays shorter, maybe around 200 words for Task 1 and around 300 words for Task 2, which will give me even more time to review and revise and make sure that I have a lot of language accuracy. I have a strong feeling that I lost my marks mostly because of language accuracy rather than content. Also, I will use more of my time on my next exam in the writing to more carefully plan my task 2 and pay a bit more attention to the overall quality and choice of my answer. So for now, I will have to be satisfied with 3 band 9s out of 5 for the listening, reading, and speaking section. Unfortunately, my score has stayed the same, so no band 9 for writing and band 8.5 overall. Nevertheless, I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep my head up high. I will resit the exam in 1 month's time in Victoria, Canada. So the perfect band 9 journey is to be continued. Importantly, I have learned from my weaknesses. I have a good idea of what to do, and you should think the same way. Don't give up on your goals. Remember that you're all beautiful, smart people. Keep pushing forward. Thank you for joining me on this IELTS journey, and see you again soon. To get original practice exams, a fully interactive course, an integrated app for your phone, visit and join our premium package at aehelp.com. Begin learning for success today. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video. Click right up here. And click our IELTS Hero to join our premium package and get access to all of our videos, practice exams, and a fully interactive course.